Hello and welcome. Today we will be learning about protein synthesis. First we will be learning about basic names. This is my beautiful picture of a person. You're just jealous of my amazing artist skills. An organism, you know what an organism is. It can be anything from a cat to a dog to like bacteria and stuff. As long as it has cells in it, it is an organism, more or less. Mrs. Seagreen, you know what an organism is. That's a cell, I guess. And if you look real hard, you can see them in your hand, and they make up organisms, obviously. Yeah. As you can see, our DNA in there is quite jumbled right now, and that's what it's actually like most of the time in your cells, except for when it's replicating. It's like a yo-yo. You know how after you've been yo-yoing for a while, it starts to just spin around lots of times? Lots of times. And then, when you let it loose, it just spins up, you know? And it kind of does that. And then we get some protein and wrap it around, and it makes a chromosome. This is our nucleus, where our DNA is, and all that good stuff. Obviously the chromosomes aren't normally naturally lined up like this, but it's so you can see them better for us. Chromosome. A gene. Now this is that specific section of DNA that has codons that code for a specific protein and therefore trait. These are the proteins that the DNA wraps around to make the chromosome. Enzymes are the things that unwind the DNA when it needs to be replicated and bond the new nucleotides together. DNA, deoxyribonucleic acid, the double helix. The codon, also known as the triplet, 3 nucleotides bonded together that code for a specific amino acid. The nucleotide consists of one of the 4 bases, G, C, A, T, a phosphate, which is the pink thing up there, and a sugar, which is the blue thing up there. An amino acid. A codon codes for an amino acid, and a protein is made up of amino acids linked together. A ribosome. This is where the DNA gets coded into proteins that make up our body and all organisms' bodies. tRNA. This is the stuff that brings an amino acid that has the corresponding 3 things that go with the codon. And then they create the long line of amino acids that is a protein. These are the enzymes, and they come in and unwind. Then the new nucleotides come in and the enzyme bonds them together. The DNA enters and the ribosome connects and allows the tRNA to come in with the corresponding bases. The amino acid that is connected starts the protein chain, and as more come, they link and fold into the 3D shape. And once a stop codon enters the ribosome, the protein goes and fulfills its purpose. Note that when A is copied, U replaces T. Thank you for watching me be a retard. I hope this was accurate and you now remember how protein synthesis works.